In this snooker coaching video will help you to improve decision making and understand better how to play certain shots to have good cue control and make bigger breaks in practices and matches. Also, from different camera angles you will see my technique, so you could also learn to play certain shots in a more smooth and professional way. Improve shot selection, cueing, cue action, cue control speed, fast. Let's begin.
Hello snooker fans, this is me again, Vilius Šultė, snooker coach. In today's video I'm gonna show you this break building exercise where you're gonna see my GoPro angle, stance, cueing and everything. So watch and learn, and hopefully it will help to improve your game. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm starting with the first shot. I have a small angle for the red, I have to play a stun shot for the pink and put the pink to the corner pocket here. So all shots I play smoothly without any pressure. So also I have a small angle for the pink. Again, I have to play stun shot. So I'm gonna play stun shot for the red. Play smoothly, small feathers, backswing small, shot. And I have perfect angle for the red there. Again, I have a straight red ball to the pocket, so this time I'm playing this side of the pocket so I could have a nice position for the pink ball here. So this time I will play a little bit more power just to create more angle and make position here. So again, a little bit more power, stun shot. Perfect angle for the pink ball. So this time I will play stop screw shot and play for the both reds. So I have to ask myself, like, from this part of the table it's harder to reach the table because I'm a right-hand player and cushion is not helping me to reach more, and from that side cushion helps me. So as for the right-hand player, I want to play more comfortable in this part of the table. So again, I'm doing my shot approach, small bridge, small backswing and the shot. Okay, this time I have one option. So this is the red. I'm gonna play stun shot. Cue ball is gonna bounce from the cushion, and I'm gonna make position for the pink ball. And this time I'm gonna go for this red or those 5 reds behind the pink. Stun shot, small feather, shot. Okay, I have a perfect angle. For the pink ball, here I have a couple of options. I can roll in the shot, or I can make again stun shot for this red. But because I have such a nice angle for the pink ball, I will make a stun shot, leave myself a slight angle for the red ball. Don't play it too hard to leave yourself here. Then, because at that case you will not play this red, you have to play another red. So just be, of course, be careful, play it smoothly, play soft screw shot, small backswing and make position for this right there. Okay. I played, so I just gonna play roll-in shot, and I'm gonna have both ways shot for the pink and for the black. So, but I want to play for the black because I have one line of 5 of the reds, so I want to clear up these reds as soon as possible. So rest, nice shot for the black ball. Have almost a perfect angle. Black ball is easier in this position. So I'm just gonna play slow roll in to the pocket here, to the corner pocket, and have position for this right there.
So, here was the first part of this video. I hope you learned a lot and you will use new game knowledge in your practices and matches. On the second part of Snooker Break Building T lineup exercise, you will learn more interesting cue ball control patterns which will help you to make big breaks in more easy way. So stay tuned! If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.